The people of Evbuabogun Community for Evbuabogun local government area of Edo State don't come out to beg the state government under Gov Okpebholo say make dem come help them fix the bad road wey don spoil finish. Dem make this appeal when TMC TV Tori people carry waka visit the community on Thursday, December 12, 2024 to find out how long the road don spoil, if dem don beg government before, and if dem fix the road, how e go take help the community growth. For our talk with the Deputy Odonwere of the community, Edward Idele and other elders, dem talk say the road be about 30 meters wide and 3 to 4 kilometers long, and it connects about 6 to 8 communities from Sapele Road down to Upper Sakbomba for Evbuabogun local government area. The community leaders can't describe the community as a peaceful area, but say during rainy season the road no dey let them pass and the wahala of the road done too much. The come still talk say them don't try fix the road, but nothing don't work, and now them they beg Governor Okpebholo say make it come help them, and say if them fit repair the road, it go help Edo State grow, improve how people take waka past the road, and make the community and surrounding areas also develop.
Anyway, Edward Idele, Odena, Mahihi, Egimala. Uroare Miami Kela la wabo moto ohia gwowo pass asset de Miami wa ma pon wa no wala ho no wa uyo boni ma no kan Odena ma hihi egala la wa be guro wala re ma me no ye oke gbogodo no so Odena Miami wa wala wa uyo bo ni ma Okpegbe ne pe egi ba pe ori almost 10 years in every no den I care yerio ama me no buma rewo so when wa we la dan na ima yin wa no wala no wa wo yo boy ni ma and this year they don't na in area wa ma mo kan yo ya na grade and this year in gwo here wa we gbe ja ila ya wa ko ke gbogodo gi not now we na wa je now and they not do anything at all say they here in we are ma gun agwa agbon begin yan na we ahon yan abumare wo yan do wenima do fie we na ye na mama mia yan mare lick to abraka upabraka wopa ori from Sapele Road yeah Sabraka Road e manire community ma gogo na me ba mi no do dole ni ma na ma kan ga gogo ma ri run ne ma pon won you bono kwa okan awu ni ma de ona atin we ni ma.
Name JB Imanlele, retired civil servant. 1504 we have been here. We ourselves, we use our money, we use our strength to repair road, but now we are tired of it because of the population, because of the development. Now we are now begging the government, individual, to come for our aid, to come and help us. We have more than 1 million people in this community. During rainy season, it's a problem to us. Some of us park our car at the junction and trek to house. In the morning, we park our car here, enter Keke to the junction. Now, things must change one day. We hope and we thank God for the new government that on seat now to come for our aid. If you can do it for us, we will never forget him for life.
Mr. Julius Horace Warikoko, I want to formally thank TMC Television for their good job to have come to this community today in order to draw government attention to the suffering we've been passing through over the years. I'm a member of this community, and this is a very wonderful place. I've never seen a quiet community like this since I've been living in Benin. Never a time will you hear in the news that Evbuabogun Community is on television for bad things. No. The only thing we are crying for is the road. This road has been bad over the years. I want to use this opportunity with all the headers that are here to draw government's attention to come to our aid. I learned is the governor of the state, and he would like to pay attention to things like this. So we really want to plead with him and appeal to him to use his good office to come to our aid. We are suffering here. You know, whenever it rains, our children, they don't go to school. They will be at home because of the heavy floods. We have made several efforts from time. Every year we are bringing sand, we want to grade, but when the rain comes, the whole thing is washed away. I'm aware that this community, all the way from Sapele Road, is about 30 meters wide. 30 meters wide is just like Sapele Road. There are a lot of benefits that we will benefit from this community, because I learned it cuts across almost about 8 communities, all the way from Sapele Road. So in a road like this, in the center, well-known Evbuabogun Road, there's no person that does not know Evbuabogun Road. For us to remain like this is really sad. And I want to really thank TMC Telly for this effort they have made to come and cover this road today in order to draw government attention. We are appealing alongside with all the headers. Arioba, Walao, give us. Yes, it will be to the credit of Governor Okpebholo that yes, during his tenure that this road was fixed. It will be to his credit, and it will be to the joy of everyone that's living in this community. There are a lot of companies that are springing up here. The place is fully developed. It will enhance the IGROs and the tax collections of the state. Vehicles are applying this road, but the road is bad. Whenever it rains, our wife will not go out to the market. Our children will not go to school. It is really tiring. It is sad. Please, I want to pass this message to Governor Okpebholo and appeal to him to use his good office to come and work on this road. There are drainage already. The drainage are fine drainages. It was almost completed. It was remaining asphalting. The stone basin has been done until it was abandoned. Please, Governor Okpebholo, the Akpakomiza, please try your best, please, so that they can fix this road.
Sapele Road is over congested. So with the help of this Evbuabogun Road, it will discongest Sapele Road. All this hold up will come to an end. So please, we want you, Governor Akpakomiza, please come to our aid. We want you to fix this road. And this road also enhance the IGR of Edo State. Also enhance the well-being of the people of Evbuabogun. And not only Evbuabogun, there are a lot of communities that are within this environment. About 8 or to 9 communities, maybe 3 to 4 kilometers. The road is a very broad road. It's a straight road. It's a road that will bring economic value to this area, to the people of Evbuabogun and all the environs. Please, with this road fees, it will enhance our well-being. It will also enhance our economic value. It will enhance a lot of things that will be beneficial to people within this environment. Please, we are begging you, Governor Akpakomiza, we know you will become a Tokinadu, under Tokinadu. Please, we want you to fix this road. Our children, they can't go to school when it's rainy season. Our vehicles are bad. We always fix our vehicle all the time as a result of the bad road. Please, we are begging you. We have fathers here. We have headers here. Please, we are begging you. If you can do this for us, in fact, your name will be written in gold. And God will bless you.
I commend your effort for coming to Evbuabogun Road to capture our road. Over the years, Evbuabogun Road is one of the best roads in Sapele Road. In short, the whole of Evbuabogun Road used to be one of the best roads we have here. But since 12-13 years ago, the road has worn out. And this road connects over 6 communities from Sapele Road to Opasakboba. Eka is there by your left. Evbuabogun is there. Okabe is there. Useni is there. Okanewogo is there. Down to Nawovia. So you can see the road is very helpful to Evbuabogun and the communities around us here. Please, Governor Okpebholo, we beg you, we use this opportunity to beg you to come to our aid, come to our rescue, please.
Some people from the community come also chook mouth on top of their own problems with the road and come beg the state government to help.
What's be your name, ma?
Ellie Mele.
Okay.
Very, very bad. It's not good. Number one, to start with, as in you rent a house in this Evbuabogun, the thing will just discourage you unless you have your own apartment, as in you have your own house in Evbuabogun. That is when you have encouragement to stay. And if you have a car, the money to repair your car every year is even enough for you to have another house. So we need the help of government to help us in this very situation. The road is very bad, as you can see. Even during the rainy season, there is no way you can pass this road. Even when you have business, like we have so many business in this very area. So if you are expecting outside to come in, there's no way, unless the people are between the area. That is only people that can patronize you. So what I'm begging for, I'm begging the governor that they should come to our rescue and they should help us, because even we as a landlady having house in this very area is very, as in, if the governor did not encourage us, it to be very bad for us to even continue, because even to build the house now is not really easy. So we really need the help of government.
Yes, sir. What be your name, sir?
My name is Gov Okpebholo. I stay here inside the Evbuabogun Community. The road is nothing to talk about at all. It's very, 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 very bad. As a matter of fact, it takes us about an hour, 30 minutes. We go through the other way. They're going to come out at the area because this side is no-go area. From the beginning to the right end, it's very bad. We go to mechanics almost every day. Our shocks, look at my car, the shock is already gone. And I just did about 3 months ago. Please do something about it. We will appreciate it. It leads to 3 house, upper, straight down. Federal Road, straight to 3 house, to take off a lot of hold up from the other way. Yes. So many communities on down to upper. Please. We voted for APC. Let them do something.
During rainy season like this, you can't pass it. It's like a river. You need to come here during rainy season. Very bad. There was even a day I fell down, like I was carrying my baby, I fell down. So please, the state government should come and help us. We need their help. They should just help us. Since like over 10 years I've been living in this Evbuabogun community. The road has been like this and it gets worse every year. Every year it's getting worse. So they should please come and help us.
My name is Chief Iraeko. When you say road is bad, it's bad. The bike, they are the ones supporting us. But every second with their bike break down. When they break down, everybody break down in the community, in the Evbuabogun community. So although there is problem, there is fault somewhere, but we don't want to follow that. They have been trying their best. At times they carry truck, whatever, grade to grade the road. But I still no avail. But however, I thank them to have that zim now. And they are sending us with the landlords, they are sending the papers to support them to do the road. By the grace of God, God will give us the power and the resources to help them to do the road, so that our problem will reduce. Please, you people have to help us to take this message to the government. Let them forget about politics aspects. When people in the community are suffering, the country is suffering. This company is suffering. So let them forget whether you are PDP, you are AGA, you are APC. Let them forget all those things. Let them come and give help to us, this community, Evbuabogun community. Oh, if they help us to do this road, we have a surplus food, we have a surplus money. People that are coming from village, they will not have the fear. Do you know from here to that junction now, it's 300 naira? We start this place with 10 naira. We start this place with 10 naira. I'm going to 12 years now as one of the landlords in this place. So let them help us. Whatever sin we have committed, the landlord and landlady and the tenant, let them forget about it and forgive us. They don't help us for anything. I don't know if they help us, they didn't tell us. I have not seen any effect from the local government chairman. I always surprised them when the other one that is party, they brought one transformer to the local government, to the community here. I don't know, is it even infection? I don't know whether it's infection or not. So they should not allow us to suffer. Let them help us, and we help us, we help the government. If I say they are doing this, they say pay tax. We won't hesitate to pay. No, nothing.
And then I pastor Idausa Hamadin. This place is a 30 plot along Okowagwe. Now, the situation of this place is very bad. We even they beg government to come to our aid so that they can be able to help us for this place. Because in rainy season like this, no more to they pass this place. If you see this place like this, all those places now flood, erosion, big one. Even some keke, some motor, they don't feel dare enter this place free for. Even this our junction where we say we see this, so if free for, if you full finish, you go to enter people house for this area. We would they beg say maybe government, maybe they can help us so that at least this road officially put time in order. Because now very straight road from upper down to what to Evbuabogun to Sapele Road. At least if they can be able to help us, at least we have be very, very grateful.
The vice chairman of Evbuabogun Keke Napep Park, wey Oyibo sabi as Tricycle, Agedo Efosa, the secretary Ikechukwu Patrick, and other Keke Napep riders come also chook mouth on top how the bad road they make their work hard and how e don spoil their Keke Napep finish, and say fixing the road go help their business.
Mr. Agedo Efosa, where I'm the vice chairman for this Evbuabogun Park, Keke Park. In fact, the road is nowhere to write about. Once there is rain now, nobody can pass this place, except it take 2 or 3 days before the flood will now dry. We normally pass through winners if there's rain. So we want to beg the Honorable Governor of the state, Okpebholo, Akpakomuza himself, to help us, because this road linked to Tree House straight without bending from here to Upper.
The other federal road.
It still serve as a bypass. So from here to Tree House straight without any diversion. So the governor should come and help us, because even as we are in this junction now, what of the people inside? They are suffering too. Those ones even suffer more than us. So we plead to the governor of the state to come and help us.
My name is Ikechukwu Patrick. Yes, the road on its own is, totally right off. Most times, you even confirm it from vehicle that is coming to Evbuabogun Community. Sometimes, when they get to the junction, they will tell you they are not going. The road is just extra bad. Rainy season is, it's total write-off. When talking about a road, it's a total write-off. Even most of the tricycle, the vehicle on this road, they've all destroyed. Even some landlord, some landladies, some of them have evacuated the community as bad as the road, maybe. Years ago, we heard that the NDDC came into this area. They tried to fix the area. After putting, what do they call it, asphalt. Before you know it, we didn't see them, and that is how they left. That is how they left. So ever since, we've been through a lot in this road. Even before the election, the past governor sent his aide to come to the junction. So they interviewed us. We told them the same thing, that they should come to our aid, which he promised he will do. So before the election, he did not come. Oh, when they fix this road, it will bring a serious development to the community. Talking about road, talking about businesses, talking about shop owners. It will be in fact, everyone will rejoice. It's going to be a kind of testimony to us, because we have been expecting this. It's going to be a miraculous thing to us if it happens. And this is our prayer.
Evbuabogun Road, as now they see now. Now see our road now. This road, every time now they carry our keke go mechanic. So our keke all of them don't run come off our junction here. They go road where they tie. So I beg Akpakomuza, I beg Ogasa, help us do the road. Help us feed this road for us, I beg. We dey suffer for this road, I beg. We don't tire, I beg. I use God beg and beg. We don't tire, I beg.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know dey take blame. From Evbuabogun Community, Ekata Ojesali, TMC TV News.